If you're shopping for a Yoder Smokers pellet grill, you probably already realized this is an amazing grill with a lot of great features. But the next question becomes, which cart fits your lifestyle? There are a lot of incredible options. The standard cart, the competition cart with drawer, and the Outlander cart. Each one has a different use. Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Jerry with atbbq.com, and today we're going to talk about the Outlander cart for the YS480, YS640, and YS1500 pellet grills. This cart has invented its own category for grilling. I call it adventure grilling. So who's this for? I think the Outlander cart is for the person that wants to take their grilling everywhere, any terrain, any place, and they want to make a bold statement while they do it. This is the baddest grill in the neighborhood. Let's talk about the features. It's important to remember that no matter which cart you choose, you get the same great Yoder performance and the build quality in every grill. You have the 20-pound hopper, the ACS control system, you have the stainless steel shelves inside and out. Now let's look at some of the features specific to the Outlander cart. The first thing everyone notices about this cart is that it has giant tires. This allows it to go over any terrain, roots, sand, grass, gravel, it can do it all. And it does it with the choice of either a steel wheel or an aluminum wheel. The mobility of this cart is assisted with articulating axles on one end and a heavy-duty handle to pull it. And the handle can also be easily removed and stored on the back of the grill. It does this with its own storage hanger that keeps everything tucked away nicely. Just like the standard carts, the Outlander cart has an open, clean, and simple storage area. And that extra cart height also gets us a little bit taller grilling. We also have integrated D-loops, so we can put this on a trailer and strap it down easily. If you're ready to take your grilling to new places, as well as be the envy of your neighborhood, check out the Outlander cart for the YS480, YS640, and the YS1500 pellet grills. You can catch them at atbbq.com. We'll see you next time.